on Jackson's channel, and I'm gonna open some kind of bad things. What are they called? Mystery boxes?
Warcraft mystery boxes.
Warcraft mystery boxes. I'm here with my friend
Jason.
Jason.
Alright. I'll open them for you and hand them to you. Here. I'll open them and hand them to you. Here.
Okay.
There you go.
Ooh, the baggie. Let's see if I can open the baggie. Okay. Can I open the baggie, guys?
You want me to edit your video?
What?
You want me to edit it?
Yeah.
Alright.
What baggie is it? I'm not very good at doing this.
You need help?
Sure. Just make a little hole in it or something. Make a little hole. That's good.
Okay, there you go.
Let's see what guy we got. Let's see the sea. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Guys, look at this. Awesome. Doesn't move its arms. No head. No. This guy's cool. Maybe I'll play with you with one of these. Okay. Always when you open the bags, open them like with a little circle. Okay, so let's see what we got. Oh, I hope it's one of my characters I got. I wish. Oh, it's even not that guy. Don't worry, I have 4 mystery boxes and we opened 2 so far, guys.
Open it. There's something in there.
Oh. Oh, it's a guy that I wanted. It's the guy that I wanted. The guy with the knife.
You have
Guys,
2 of
look
them.
at him. Wait,
You have
what?
2.
What? Wait, we got 2? Guys, we got a duplicate. Wow. Already? Well, I guess we can do a giveaway. We can do a giveaway to you guys. Whoever subscribed to my channel, turn on notifications, and subscribes to my video, and turns the bell on.
Comment if you want it.
Comment if you want it. But also, subscribe to my channel, turn notification on, and
See you guys in the next one.
I think. But bye guys, it's Off Day on Jack's channel.